Hello everyone. Today's video is about advantages and disadvantages of using subroutines. We said the subroutines are the functions and procedures. The advantages of using subroutines: breaking down or decomposing a large problem into subtasks and writing each of these as a subroutine makes the problem easier to solve. So each subroutine can be tested separately. Also, subroutines can be used several times within a program. And subroutines can be stored in a subroutine library and used in different programs when needed. If there's a problem in the program using the subroutine, it's much easier. Just make a change in the subroutine and the program will be solved. So program maintenance is easier. The only disadvantage of using the subroutines is that we can't call the local variables in the function or the procedures in the program. We can use them only in the subroutines, which are the functions and procedures. We call them only by using their global names in the program.